Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a in Windows 11 or 10 if your image or photo not showing in your Windows Explorer. For example, like this, it's just icon. If you change or if you search your photo folder, it's just like icon not showing your image. So it's easy to fix. All you have to do is, if you look at the top of your screen, there is home, share, view, or picture tools. So you can click on view and try to search the options here. You can click options and change folder and search option. You can click it. Here you go. This is the folder option. There's a 3 tabs that you can explore, and we are going to click on views. See, there is an advanced settings here, files and folders. Please uncheck this box. Always show icons, never thumbnails. Please uncheck. And now apply, and here we go. This is the image is showing now. So no more icon, and now is your image, your preview image is shown on your Windows Explorer. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and press the button below. See you next